Hey, it's Mr. Excitement here again. And look at this chart. Look at the P3D chart. See, we had it going way up, and then it crashed. And all these people on YouTube are talking on how it's finished, and they're basically selling out. And now look, she's coming back. It's coming back. Ooh, a little bit of panic. Coming back. So this is volatility, people. On all of this selling out, 10% of all of those sales went back into the contract to be distributed among the holders of the token. All this buying in, 10% of every buy-in goes back into the contract, the smart contract, into the holders of the ERC20 token. All right? All you people out there who are poking fun at this and calling this some kind of a third-rate Ponzi don't know what you're talking about. You don't know jack. You don't know technology. You don't understand blockchain. You don't understand smart contracts. You don't understand any of this stuff. Okay? You don't understand technology. You're just a bunch of hacks. Okay? You're just a bunch of hacks. You're only in it for the money. Now, a lot of us are in it for the money, but we're also in it for the technology. I've been working in the technology field for over 20 years. I've been working for software companies, enterprise software companies. I've been working in system administration. I've been working with Unix and Linux and all that. I was in the dot-com boom. Okay? This is the next wave. I was wondering what was going to happen, when it was all going to happen, and here it is. It's called cryptocurrency. Okay? It's called blockchain. All right? Now, this thing here is a smart contract. It's not a BitConnect or a USI where you basically have to trust a bunch of corrupt people with your money. And you're going to trust they're not going to run away and exit scam with your money. This thing here is a smart contract, all right? It's run by computers. It's on the Ethereum platform, okay? This thing has been audited. This is not, some lending platform, okay? You can put into this without fear of all that scam garbage. People are starting to realize that, and they're coming back in. All right? Mainly because of technologists who are having to explain it to all of the dipshits out there who just don't get it. I can't believe the amount of ignorance that I see out there, that the comments, even people who should know better, who are hanging out. I mean, people who have hardware wallets, know what private keys are, people who are able, I'm not talking about mom and pop on Facebook who can't figure out how to do anything but Coinbase, I'm talking about people who are actually able to get through some of this technology, and they still are missing the most obvious parts of this that set it apart from all that other stuff, that prove that it's not that other stuff, okay? It's astounding. The stupid comments I see, even on the Discord chats, of people who should know better, all right? Just giving in to their own fears, okay? And guess what? I collected rewards on all of that because I stayed in. All right? I only wish I had more to put into this thing than I do because I believe in it, okay? So what you should do is go to my masternode link before and get in this, okay? Now, what else was I going to look at here? Yeah, okay, so let's talk about the art of losing, okay? This is how you lose at this game. Since most of the people out there are hell-bent on losing, we're going to go over that, right? If you're interested in losing the game, do this, okay? And this is what they're all doing out there. Losers sell right away when the token value drops. As you monitor the token price dropping during sell-offs, be sure to sell your tokens in the frenzy so you lose money and stop receiving dividends. Number 2, losers never reinvest their rewards. Compound interest and accumulating tokens is a surefire way to profit. So if you want to lose, never reinvest to ensure your token holdings don't increase. Number 3, losers are very reactive to FUD and panic. Okay? Check all the messages of the people who are negative and critical, and don't do any critical thinking to evaluate their claims. Just read negative things and then sell based on your gut. Never check the facts. That's what they do. Number 4, losers put in more than they feel comfortable with. Being responsible and only putting discretionary funds that you are comfortable losing into the game ensure that you can sleep easy and play for entertainment. If you want to lose, put in more money than you should, so you panic more at every sell-off. 5, losers don't study market cycles or look at history. If you look too deep into cryptocurrency markets, you'll know that there are many price surges upward, and these are often followed by corrections or crashes where previous prices are tested for support. If you want to lose, never do your research and learn about any of this. All right? Please be sure to do these only if you want to lose the game. If you want to succeed, do exactly the opposite of these 5 points above. Okay? So you don't even have to go off and read what to do to win the game. Just do the opposite of this, and that's the winning solution. Okay? It's so obvious. And yet, you know, I go on the Discords and you see these people just, you know, you see them just doing this here, you know. But when they do this here, people like me win. And when people do this here, people like me win. You have to have what they call strong hands. That's why they call this thing the power of weak hands. It's like funny, okay? It's funny. But there you have it. Now, you know, so take it from a long-time technology industry person. You know, I mean, look, are you going to totally rely on the markets, right? Look, I love all these cryptocurrencies as much as anybody else, but BTC dominance has dropped even more, 40.1%. Look, everybody can be happy in a bull market, but you're going to get these market cycle things. You get the bulls and the bears constantly fighting each other. I wish I had this earlier on, a few months ago, okay? Because this thing is a great, great, great safety net, okay? It's a great safety net. It's a place where you can park your stuff and actually have it grow. Now, you know, the token can lose value, so your initial, you know, your investment can go down. The value of investment can go down just like it can in the regular crypto market, but at least when it's doing so, you're getting rewards when you're holding, right? And these cycles reverse and they'll come back up and the token value will go up again. And so once you don't sell, just like in the regular crypto market, right? You only lose if you sell low. If you buy high and you sell low, okay? Same principle here, but you know, you're not really going to be getting, you know, you get certain rewards for certain tokens like holding Neo, you get gas and stuff like that, but you're not going to get what you get here. So what I'm saying is part of your pot ought to be parked in something like this. You know, there's people dumping, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30 Ethereum into this thing. You know, right now there's I don't know, there's over 8,000 Ethereum in here right now. Well, actually, here you go. As for this chart, it's 8,144, right? That's a recent chart. So make sure, if you want to lose, do all these things. If you want to win, do the opposite. Okay? So go to my master load link below this video or around this video and get in. Right? Simple as that. Go to my site, techbait.net, read the tech news, read the crypto news, crypto and tech. I got tech down here. The Slashdot, Wired, etc. Up here I got crypto. Crypto leads the way. You know, CoinDesk, Ethereum, blah, 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 all the stuff. Right? You can also get into some of this stuff on my page. I've got tax solutions. I have the stuff we're talking about now. I got hardware wallets. I got all the links here. I got the exchanges. I got cool Bitcoin crypto t-shirts. Stuff like that. Cloud trading bot. So I've got it all here. Right? It's a great news source. It updates constantly. These feeds update constantly. It's a great way to just hit something. You hit it from a smartphone, and you can always be up on what's going on in crypto and technology. Okay, I even have precious metals chart live. So make sure you go to techbait.net. Right, techbait.net daily. Share it with your friends and pals and buddies and circles and whatever. Please use it. So I'm always going to plug my site. But what I'm also plugging here is the charts. Look at this. I'm telling you folks, don't miss out on this. If you would have bought down here, you would have been much better. But considering not too long ago it was like way up here somewhere before that march downward, it's still got a ways to go. And beyond that. Okay? So look, you know what they say, take the bull by the horns. Carpe diem, seize the day, right? Seize those opportunities. You have been given an opportunity here, a smart contract enforced opportunity, right? That runs on Ethereum. It's not run by people, okay? There is no exit scam potential here, okay? This can't be shut down unless Ethereum or the internet shuts down, right? It's completely immutable. They can't change it. Smart contract's been deployed. Learn about what this technology is so that you can understand how good this really is, okay? Instead of listening to some BS FUD from somebody else who knows as little or less than you, right? And anybody can say anything about anything. Doesn't make it true. What I'm telling you is correct. Okay? Are there risks? Yeah, whatever. There are with everything. Step outside in the morning, you can get hit by a bus. I mean, there's risks with everything. Okay? Can this get hacked? You can't ever say never, right, with hacking. But it's been audited. It's been hack tested already, so there might not even be a big enough target, to be honest with you. But you know, your exchange could get hacked, right? Your wallet can get hacked. I mean, a lot of your phone can get hacked. A lot of stuff. You can lose your stuff in a variety of ways. So I wouldn't exactly put too much on that. Don't let that stop you from prospering. So anyway, look, I know I've been shilling this in every video, and I'm trying to bring myself to like talk about more about other things. But right now, you know, until we get a market that's like soaring, and it's looking good right now, and even when it's soaring, this is a good place to have part of your stuff, okay? But, you know, when the market's kind of depressed or whatever, this is the place to be. This is actually providing excitement and opportunity. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to shill it, and I make no apologies for doing so, okay? No apologies, because I understand technology, right? And I know what technology is. That's why I was drawn to this, okay? I was never in BitConnect or those other things, because I knew what they were. I knew you were trusting other people and that they were going to run away with the goods, right? I know that this one here, this is different. This is not that, right? So when your little buddies talk about exit scam, blah, 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 they're speaking out of their butt. They don't know what they're talking about, right? And you can rest assured that they're wrong. Honestly, they're just wrong. So, and even some of these YouTubers who should know better, they immediately, slam this thing down, and they don't even know what it is. It proves that a lot of these popular YouTubers out there are a bunch of hacks. They don't understand the technology. They don't. They don't understand the core technology here that we're all supposed to be concerned about and boosters of. They just don't get it. They're just here to make money. And those are the people you shouldn't trust, okay? Because it's not about the technology with them. I mean, it should be about money. Yes, money's important, but technology as well. The use cases for a lot of these coins out here are going to be amazing. And also for the Bitcoin maximalists like Tone Vase, and give me a break. Give me a break. They're going to call everything a shit coin except Bitcoin. I mean, come on. There's a lot of use cases here that are very important. This is going to change business. It's going to change the world. Right? This is a new sector. This is why the IRS needs to rewrite their stuff, because this is a new asset, not just a new asset class. It's a new class of things. It shouldn't be classified the same as stocks or whatever. But I won't get on the IRS for now, because then I'll never stop. So go to TechBait. Keep up with the news. Keep up with the news. A lot of technology on this site as well. And really give this a look. Give this a look. My link's below. It's also on my website. And give this a really good look. Give this a good look. Give it an honest look. Go read the smart contract if you know how to read that stuff, right? But this stuff is deployed. It's immutable. It's decentralized. And it's run by the machines according to a contract. It's not in the hands of people, right? You can trust the machines when it comes to this, because they don't understand greed, okay? So I'm going to sign off for now and leave you with that, and hope that it sinks in. Thanks for watching. See you next time.